Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is February 12th and let's take a look at the chart of the day today, which is the NVDA. It is a 30 minutes time frame here. And we can see we ended with 2 pullback in the primary degree at 113, and then since then we have started to rally higher, and the rally higher is within the wave 3 to the upside, which you can see subdivides in 5 waves. So we completed with 1 here in the minor degree. So now looking for a wave 2 pullback to correct this cycle here in 3-7-11 swing. Now a couple of things here. You notice that the arrow is turning up, which means that we have not broken above the previous peak yet. So we have not broken above the wave 1. So if I take a look at the zoom out, if I zoom out here, the wave 2 here is over here, right? And then we rally, which looks like an impulse here, right? This subdivision here is in the daily is this one, looks pretty impulsive. So based on this, we can see that we got 2 possible options here, guys. Let me double check firstly. This peak here is 152.89 and this peak here is 153.13. Okay, so 2 options here. It's either you want to do it in a more bullish or in a less bullish way. The more bullish way, you can label 1 here. In that case, you are actually doing an expanded flat A, because this one is above here. So you can do ABC, completed here with 2, which is actually what we are calling here, which is with 2 here, right? So we got C here. So this is in the form of an expanded flat, and then that means we can see more upside the next leg up, but that basically has to be confirmed by breaking above that previous peak here, and that's why in the 1 hour the arrow is only turning up. So that's one way to think about it here. Now the other way to think about it, actually, if we use the same degree with 1, you label with 1 here, and this looks like a 5 wave, so this is only ending with ABC, like A of the ABC zigzag, and now we can see a B, which can either end here or it can be ending in a 3-way rally like this to retest the peak and then go down again in the C like this, okay, before we end your wave 2, right? Before we end your wave 2, and then starts to rally higher afterwards. So 2 possible options there. Now, but back to the shorter cycle, I think what we can focus on is the idea this cycle or this rally looks kind of impulsive, and also we can focus on this pullback here. Clearly is corrective, right? Nobody can say this is a 5 ways down. It's a clear 1, 2, 3 without any extension. So I think based on this structure of an impulse followed by 3 swing, we can conclude more likely than not we're going to break higher again. So either again the break higher is in the form of an ABC, or the break higher is in the form of a new bullish leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which eventually is gonna go to new high, right? 2 possible options, but in the shorter cycle it kind of favors the idea of more upside because of the structure here impulsive, the structure here corrective, and if it does a 7 swing, if we do get another leg down here, and because the first leg is corrective 3 swing, and more likely than not we're going to see another support at the next 100% or in 7 swing area here, WXY, in this area between 129.98 against 127.55. So that's the idea here. Now remember, we are correcting the wave 2, which is correcting this entire rally, which means we actually have enough space to do further correction. Now you understand wave 2 can go to 50% or 61.8% retracement sometimes, so we got plenty of white space here that allows a deeper correction within wave 2 before it ends and starts to rally higher. But the idea is that correction usually follows the sequence in 3 swing or 7 swing, and always find some sort of support 100%. So that's when the next support potentially will be this area 129.98, 127.55. all right, so that's the idea here, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the NVDA or any other stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.